I've done quite a few things to the exterior of my BMW so far, but I think it's time to start working on the interior. My BMW 3 Series has seen quite a bit of work done to it over the past month since buying it. First doing a quick service, to having the timing chain replaced, to now sounding like this. Pretty damn smooth if you ask me. Changing the front grills, look at this. The mirror caps and the indicators. It's safe to say I've done quite a bit to the exterior and not yet touched on the interior. And now today then, I've got 3 different things to do to the interior of my 3 Series. I've got new car mats, puddle lights, I've also got some lights to change on the interior. I've got some LED ones, hopefully it'll just spruce up the interior, make it feel a little bit more up to date and fresh. And to start with, I'm going to work on the puddle lights. I've got ones that I can project the BMW logo instead of just being a plain and basic light. They're really easy to fit, so let's get going, get them off. So the puddle lights are located on the underneath of my 2 front doors. They're really easy to pop out, as you've seen. You get a trim removal tool, you pop them out, and then it's just one little electrical connector, which I'm sure if you pop out just like that, comes out with the bulb. We're going to be replacing this with the new one. So the ones I've got, I need to remove the bulb, and then we're going to be replacing this with a cable that's going to be running into the puddle light. It's pretty much the exact same concept as when I did my indicators, but these ones I've got here are proper, really nice quality ones. I can't remember the website I got them from. I'll leave links to them in the description. They do loads of things for all types of car brands, but as I said, the cable here will go into this end. There we go, that's that connected. So I've now also had to remove the bit that houses the bulb, because as you can see, the 2 pins just on the end there sit into these little holes right here. And I believe if I just push this in quickly, so, just like that. If I now try and lock and unlock the car, it's working. Look at that. It's the wrong way around, so I'm gonna have to get the other one that'll go here, because obviously I'm gonna project it probably that way. But that is gonna look so cool when it's dark outside. That is a very nice, tasteful mod. Let's get the other one on instead of this one. We'll get it back in. We'll do it to the other side. Oh, and here's a before and after as well. So those puddle lights make such a difference, but they're not the only lights we're going to be changing today, as I have got these LEDs up here, and they have to change every bulb inside of the car. So we've got ones down here in the footwell, another one over there, and we've got multiple up here, a light just up there for the mirror, and then some more lights in the back. These shouldn't be too difficult to install. They should just be bits you can pull out with a trim removal tool, and then to replace the bulbs with these LEDs. So the first one I'm going to start off with is the one behind the sun visor, and like I said, just take a trim removal tool. If I just pop this down, it shouldn't be too difficult to get down. There we go. You pop that out. If I turn it around, as you can see, there's the bulb, and I'll just replace that with an LED, push it back in, and then it should be all done. And there we go, the new LED is installed. What I now need to do is just push this back up into place, just like so, making sure to get the headliner behind you. And there we go, that is one LED installed. So let's just test to see if these work. Oh, that's perfect. Yeah, that's really good. Look at the difference. This is really nice. The whole car is gonna be looking amazing once we've got all of these done. Just on that side over there as well. Let's just check this side's working. It is fantastic. I am really happy with them. They look amazing. Let's carry on. Let's get the rest of these finished. So now with both of these done, I'm gonna do a little bit of prep work up here to get this little dome piece out at the top. I'm gonna first pop off both of these sun visors off to the side. And then if I take this little cover off here, it's on just like a very small clip. Just like so, there we go. There is a tiny bolt just under there. I'm going to take both of these off, and this should allow the front of the headliner to come loose, so I can pop this whole piece out. So that was really easy. Like I said, it was held on by these 2 clips at the back. Now the 3 bulbs are just these 3 here. If I twist and pull, they come straight out. I'll replace these with the LEDs, and I'll do the exact same in reverse to put them back in. Just push and twist, and that's what holds them in. So here's the new LED put onto the little light connector. If we can slide that in, put it on an angle, press the button, and boom, there we go. That is that one done. Do that to the other side now, then we'll focus on the middle one after. There we go then. That is both of these lights done. They look really, really good. We're now going to do the last one, which is the middle one, which is very hot because it's been on this whole time. So we're going to work carefully with this one and try not to burn myself. It's the exact same thing like the other 2. Twist it and pull it out. And then you're just going to pull the bulb out, put it straight back in, and we'll get this on. And there we go, that's the lineup finished. All 3 LEDs installed here. No more horrible yellow lights, lovely white LEDs. They look fantastic. Let's get these footwells done, and then we'll do this exact same piece in the back seat. I think that's all of the lights then. And that is my headliner now back together. That was quite an easy job, just getting these front ones in. The footwell lights were the exact same principle. Just pop off the plastic cover, take out the housing, replace the bulb with the LED, and put it all back together. Super, super easy. The rear dome light is the exact same as the front dome light. You just pull off the plastic covers that hold the bulbs in, replace them with the LEDs, and then put it all back together again. It's so easy and simple. So that is all of the interior lights now changed over, and what a difference they have made. Every single one of them is going to play their part, especially when it gets darker. Those LEDs really do shine, and I think that's just a nice tasteful aesthetic to have now, because the car is a little bit more up to date. It feels a bit more premium, you could say, especially for a 2008 car. It was definitely needed. And there's one more thing that I'm going to do to kind of go along with that feeling up to date sort of premium flow, and that is some brand new car mats. So here inside the back seats I've got these car mats here, which are tailor-made by carmats4u.com. And I've got these, obviously, as you can see, with some BMW stitching, which look really, really nice. Also, as part of my specification, I went for some quite deep carpet. So this is really nice, thick carpet that will replace these horrible, old-looking, outdated ones. These aren't going to take very long to get in, obviously, because they're just replacing the other ones. I'm also going to hoover at the same time, just to make it look a little bit cleaner inside. Let's get these car mats in. These are going to look fantastic. So let's get hoovering. So there's the mats now installed. I actually feel really nervous about getting my car now because I don't want to put my feet on the mats and make them dirty, because these are really, really pretty. And that sounds weird, but these look really nice. I love the blue and red accents because it just kind of matches up with the BMW M Sporty type stuff. And there's more of that coming for the interior. We're not done in here just yet, but this looks amazing. I'm so happy with this. So I'm going to leave some links for car mats for you down in the description. If you guys want to get yourself some, like I said, they are completely tailor-made. They are custom to yourself. There's so many options. You can create your own car mats. They look amazing. I'm so happy with these. So let me know what you think down below of everything I've done this week. I think the interior of the car really feels a lot more up to date now with the LED lights. There's really nice puddle lights, and now these car mats. It's kind of taking it from being a little bit dull to looking really fresh and upbeat. But I'm not done on the interior. I've also decided that I'm going to get myself a new steering wheel at some point with the flat bottom and then the Alcantara and stuff like that. that will all start to match up with the mats. I'm going to get more in here that's kind of M Sport looking, so it's going to have the red and blue stitching. It will all start to match up and tie together eventually, but for now, I'm really happy with these mats. Anyway, thank you guys ever so much for watching. I really appreciate you being here. If you want to become a member, click that join button down below. I highly recommend you do it. It's only £2 a month, and there's going to be a lot of extra behind the scenes stuff that I'll be posting on there week in, week out. You don't want to miss any of it. Or if you want to become like some sort of follower of the channel, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys next week on Sunday. Have a fantastic week, and I'll catch you then. Peace out.